So, how was your first day back at work after that gorgeous friggin' weekend? Yeah, I know. Okay, so I planned something totally different tonight because I was gonna work with my tints and show you guys just how friggin' fabulous those colors really are. But something happened tonight and I changed my mind completely. Um, I had bought a printer for the company, and it came and it was a heck of a lot bigger, and I mean a heck of a lot bigger than what it looked like in the picture. And yes, I know I should have read the dimensions as well, but no, I didn't. So I put it up for sale, and a woman from the neighborhood um, came because she has an office business at home, business office at home, and she came to look at it tonight, and she said the same thing. It was too big for her office too, but she, of course, where my computer or where my stuff is in my office where all my shelves are lined with products. So of course she asked me what I did and blah blah blah, and could she see my work, and I brought her down, and the very first thing she saw was my beautiful, the love of my life picture that I did of the very first, what got everybody into the color shifts, that first piece I did. And I loved that piece. But she asked if she could buy it, and the price was right. And so I said, sure. So watching it leave was kind of bittersweet. So tonight I thought, okay, so I need to kind of get back in there, have something like that. But tonight what we are going to do is we're going to do it with just two colors. One of the color shifts, which I'm going to use, is the blue color shift, which looks white, but it's blue, on our jet black. And I'm going to use my goldenrod. But I wanted you guys to see this because I didn't know if I had showed you this. So I'm going to show you now. Can you see the beauty in this color? That is just friggin' gorgeous. I love this. So we're going to do this tonight. We're going to do a color shift piece and see how we go. But before we do, I wanted to tell you a few things. One is, yes, I'm right beside me here, which you're not going to see yet, is my very last attempt at a geode. I've done the first layer, not exactly happy, but we will see. So I'm not showing it until it's done, if it even turns out. I didn't want to do a tutorial because I'm not kidding. Geodes hate me. They just look at me and say, give it up. And so I will. If this doesn't work, I will. But I also wanted to tell you guys that I'm going to do, in the next couple of nights, I'm going to do a video for you guys, a YouTube video for you guys, again on molds, because they are easy, guys. They're really easy to do. And if you buy the smaller kit, it's more affordable. I get mine from Montreal, but the Mold Star is all over North America, so I'm sure you can find them anywhere. This one, my friend and customer Darshana told me about. It's the 20, and it dries quicker than the 30, which is what I use. The 30 is 6 hours. This is, I think, half an hour. It's not long at all. So we're going to work with it and I'm going to show you how you can make your own clusters and other pieces really easy at home, okay? Because I've had, and I appreciate it, I really do. I've had people ask me if I, would sell the molds of the clusters that I make. And I just can't, guys, for two reasons. One, because if I took the time to make molds, then I won't have time to do art. And art is so important to me, and you know that. I do it almost every single solitary night. And two, I couldn't justify the cost of what it would cost to make these. I wouldn't want to have to charge you that, but then it wouldn't make any feasible sense for me to do it. So, okay, now we get it. I'll show you how to make it. Deal? Deal. Okay, so let's get started on replacing my color shift piece and get you guys out of here tonight. Okay, so I'm going to do a black background on MDF, one of my beautiful MDF boards, which are selling. I've got to reorder more. You guys seem to really like these, and I'm very happy about that. The edges are just unbelievable. They're a nice thickness so that you can hang a nice backing on it. They're not heavy. You guys really seem to like them, and so do I. But I just love the edges. The edges excite me. Everything looks fabulous going down the edges on these. And sticks to the edges. Well, you saw the other night when I did my serving board, my handle board. It just doesn't seem to want to stick to real flat edges. I have to come back down later and apply it again. So let's spread this out. Get my edges done. I just love this black. Jet black. I taped the back of this one this time. Usually I don't because I can sand them, but I need to replace a bunch of pieces in the gallery this weekend. And in Barrie, Promenade is happening this weekend. So the gallery is going to be open to tons of people. So I want to get some more pieces in there. And I don't have a ton of time to sand everything. Oh, there's something there. Okay, so there we go. There must have been some dried resin in my cup, which means it's time to clean them all. Okay, so let's leave that there. I'll put on a new glove and we'll get going with the colors. And I think I'm going to do a swipe with them. We will see. I'm going to go this way with the gold. And have the blue on top. And then I'm going to go this way with the blue, which right now still looks white, but but it's starting to change into its blue and have the gold beside it. And I have a bit of gold left, so we'll see what we're going to do with that in a minute. So what I need to do is get a cloth, get a piece of my swiper, and let's take it out this way. Take this one this way. Let's bring this and this. Bring this one this way. And bring the last one that way. Can you see that? Yeah. And we're getting some cell action and no bubbles. So let's get the torch and see if we can bring anything else out. Okay, and these are just the three colors: jet black, the color shift blue, aurora borealis blue, and goldenrod. And I gotta tell you, that blue is freaking fabulous, and the goldenrod is beautiful. And I think I'm just going to leave it like this. Just leave it like this. I don't think I'm going to add any stones, any glass, any more gold. I think I like it just the way it is. Wow. Very good. Very, very good. Okay, so I'm going to bring you on down so you can see it. I'm going to try so that you don't see my geode disaster. So let's bring you up. And bring you over and swipe you around this piece. Which is, so look at that blue. Look at that blue, but then look at that gold. That is just amazing. They are beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful colors together. And some cells happening. Very nice. Because I added just a little tiny bit of chaos, chroma chaos, to the black. Just a tiny bit. And swiping it has brought, and I didn't think it would, because both these colors are metallic, heavy, and it's funny how sometimes it will. because I did not put a layer. You saw I didn't put a layer of clear down first this time. And they're not sinking to the bottom. They're staying on top, and the cells are coming out, so that's pretty good. I'm learning more and more about this chaos as I go along, and that's what I want you to do. I want you to experiment with it, try different things. I want to do it in alcohol inks, but I'm a bit nervous with alcohol inks. I haven't tried them yet very much. I tried on a few tiles. I gotta learn, a lot to learn, but I have a bunch of wonderful clients that do alcohol inks and are giving me some advice here and there, so that's a wonderful thing. Now, if somebody would just come to my house and teach me how to do a geode, just one. All I want, please, is just to do one, so I can say, hey, I did a geode, a really good geode, and I'm proud of it. Just one. Okay, guys, so that was tonight's quickie. It was fun. Thanks. Okay, guys, have a wonderful evening. I'll see you soon. Bye.